Imagine a better tomorrow. A better tomorrow for manufacturing. A better tomorrow for technology. And a better tomorrow for the planet. ALAT is partnering with the world's leading innovative corporations, harnessing advanced technologies to transform global industries and change the world for good. Powered by Saudi Arabia's abundant supply of reliable, low-cost, clean energy. Together, let's lead the way to a more sustainable tomorrow, advancing not only what we make, but how we make it. ALAT is building a world-class sustainable manufacturing hub in Saudi Arabia, creating thousands of new jobs. With $100 billion to invest, ALAT will transform manufacturing in everything from semiconductors to smart devices, smart buildings, smart appliances, and smart health. From advanced industrials to next-gen infrastructure. Not just for Saudi Arabia, but for the world. Together, let's make the manufacturing of tomorrow. Together, let's make a better world. ALAT, tomorrow, made better.